Now come to the minor openings of the diaphragm. See, this is a triangular space between the sternal origins of the diaphragm and origin from the 7 costal cartilage. And this space is known as the space of Leydig, which transmits the superior epigastric artery. And between the origins of the 7th and 8th costal cartilages, there is another minor opening which transmits the musculophrenic arteries. So, these superior epigastric arteries and the musculophrenic arteries are the terminal divisions of the internal thoracic artery. We know the origins of the transversus abdominis interdigitates with the costal origins of the diaphragm. So, in between two muscles there are some minor openings, and these openings transmits the intercostal nerves and vessels of the lower 6 intercostal spaces. Now, this is the medial arcuate ligament. Medial arcuate ligament is the thickened upper border of the psoas fossa. It transmits the sympathetic trunk and least splanchnic nerve. Similarly, the lateral arcuate ligament is formed by the thickened upper margin of the anterior layer of the thoracolumbar fossa. It transmits the subcostal vessels and nerves. Now, we know that the azagus vein enters the thorax from abdomen either through the aortic opening or by piercing the right crus of diaphragm. But left crus is always pierced by the hemiazygous vein. Now the right and left phrenic nerve. Right phrenic nerve passes through the vena cava opening, but left phrenic nerve have to pierce the left cupula of diaphragm. Both the nerves pierce the diaphragm and supplies the diaphragm from the undersurface. Now the nerve supply of the diaphragm. Diaphragm gets both motor and sensory supply. Motor supply is solely derived from the phrenic nerve, whereas the peripheral sensory supply, that is the sensory supply of the peripheral part of the diaphragm, is supplied by the lower 6 intercostal nerve, whereas the central part of the diaphragm, the sensory supply will be derived from the phrenic nerve. Number of arteries supply the diaphragm. Musculophrenic and pericardiophrenic both are branches of the internal thoracic artery. As we know, these pericardiophrenic arteries accompany the phrenic nerves in the mediastinum. Apart from these two arteries, the lower 6 intercostal arteries, superior phrenic artery and inferior phrenic artery. Superior phrenic artery is the last branch of the descending thoracic aorta, whereas the inferior phrenic artery is the first branch of the abdominal aorta, and this part is commonly asked in the examination. The last branch of the descending thoracic aorta and first branch of the abdominal aorta.